Julie.
Yeah.
I want to take you to bake that ice cream cake.
Ooh, nice.
Julie, do you have a lighter? You asked her. Sherry, where's the lighter?
She has no clue. I go, hey Julie, how about ice cream cake?
Okay, I don't really have any idea what this, Johnny.
Oh, I'll do this, Ryan.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, dear Bonnie. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Did you get the cha-cha-cha in here?
Couldn't hear him.
Right. Yeah.
I know somebody that used to go screaming and yelling happy birthday song.
Yeah, remember you couldn't sing it to him. Huh? It was fire too.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, the one's
Fun's over.
Cha-cha-cha.
That's already melting. Cole, you don't want one?
Yeah.
Put it there.
Yeah, that's right next to the already
What are you
cooked
doing,
ice cream
Ryan?
cake.
You making a candy bar?
There are 4 candy
Okay, I got
bars
the tape
and I
on.
can make one, whatever.
Tape's on.
What'd you say? I don't.
That's right next to the already cooked ice cream
Mom,
cake.
can somebody
o'clock.
clean this? one
Just
off?
get lick it off. It's all yours anyway.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Look at
Cole, you don't want
Ethan.
yours?
Ethan, you doing a good job making yours?
Hey,
Yes,
I heard
just
Janine gave your
my
kids some
eyes.
liquid crack the other night and sent them home. Mountain Dew?
Some Mountain Dew. Ethan went to bed at 11:45.
Yeah. So she got them off the walls.
Don't do the highest.
He loves Mountain Dew.
That's right.
Yes,
So she just gives it to him.
Liquid
He
crack.
loves it.
Sure, yeah, well.
I want liquid table.
That's what it is.
I wonder what my candy bar takes.
You got everything in there you want? Ryan put one thing in each hole. Quinn put stuff in every hole. And Ethan just put the stuff into the containers.
Hey, Bonnie, I'll buy some caffeine-free soda for him. How's that?
Yeah. Why bother?
I'll bring you some.
Will he drink it?
Yeah.
Why do
Anybody
people
want
drink
my
decaf coffee? What's the purpose?
No.
peanut butter and
no.
Thank you, Rockies.
He's mad at
Look,